Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play a G chord. The chord is in fact called G Major. It's a triad, meaning there's 3 notes in it. So first of all, you locate your root note G, place your first finger here. The next note you need is the note B. Place your third finger here. And the last note you need is the note D. Place your 5th finger here. So there you have it, the G major chord. Now I'm just going to show you something about inversions, meaning that you can invert your chord. Now look, because the G chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also play it in 3 different positions or 3 different inversions. The first one we already have. It's called the root inversion because the root note is at the bottom. Now, if I move my root note G all the way to the top, this is called the first inversion. To play this with one hand, you place your first finger on B, your second finger on D, and your 5th finger on G. There you have it. This chord is called G Major first inversion. Now to get another inversion, the second inversion, you move this note, the note B, all the way to the top. And there you have the second inversion of the chord G. Place your first finger on the note D, your third finger on G, and your 5th finger on B. This is called G major second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make another inversion moving this note all the way to the top, you in fact get back to your root inversion, just an octave higher, right? So this is still a G major chord in root inversion, like this one. So G major chord, root inversion, G major chord, first inversion, G major chord, second inversion, G major chord, back to the root inversion. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.